Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a custom high contrast theme in Windows 10. High contrast themes can make your Windows 10 interface more visually distinct and easier to read. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press Start. This will open the Start menu, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Great. Now that you have the Start menu open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Go to Settings. You can find the Settings option in the Start menu. Excellent. Now on to the next step. Step 3. Click Ease of Access. You'll find this option near the bottom of the menu next to a dotted line icon of a clock. Almost there. Now, for the next step. Step 4. Click High Contrast. You'll see this option in the vertical menu on the left side of the window. Perfect. Now that you've accessed the high contrast settings, let's proceed to the next step. Step 5. Toggle on Turn on High Contrast. Give Windows a moment to ready the color change. Fantastic. Now, on to the next step. Step 6. Select a theme from the drop-down menu. Choose the high contrast theme that you prefer. Great, now let's move on to the next step. Step 7. Click Text, Hyperlinks, Disabled Text, Selected Text, Button Text, and/or Background. Customize the specific elements of the high contrast theme. Almost there, just a few more steps. Step 8. Select a color or enter a hex code. Choose the color that you want to apply to the selected element. Perfect. Now, on to the final steps. Step 9. Click Done. This will save your custom high contrast theme settings. Congratulations! You've successfully created a custom high contrast theme in Windows 10. Step 10. Click Apply below the customizable options to apply the theme. This will activate your custom high contrast theme. Enjoy the new visual experience of your customized high contrast theme. That concludes today's tutorial on how to create a custom high contrast theme in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.